Hello everyone, today in this video we'll see how to get the Hypesquad badge on Discord mobile, so let's jump right into it. Now you cannot do this from the app, you have to go to your browser, make sure that you are in discord.com and then go to the desktop site, just like I'm doing right here. Now just like that, zoom in and tap on the open Discord on the top right. Now if you are logged in, it won't ask you to log in again. Once you're here, zoom in to the bottom and tap on the gear icon. That will take you to settings. Now from here, look for Hypesquad. And here it is, under what's new. Tap it and then tap on join Hypesquad. A small window will pop up with a small survey, just fill it in. And once you're done, you will get the badge depending on the survey that you have filled in. And that's how you do it, guys. Now, if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to your problems. And thank you for watching.